Kalau if you notice, beginning of the year kita buat top 10. Kita buat recognition yang dulu kita buat dalam bulan 7 ke bulan 6. Because hello 2025, we want to do things differently. We want you to feel that we are doing things differently to help you. Seperti tadi Kak Yus kata, what can we do to help you? This is why we are here. So we are full of hope, full of strength, full of new beginning for 2025. And we started, tadi yang bila kita bermula, we requested you to fill in your goal for 2025. So start your year new, start your year with the right footing. Because New Year is when we forget the past. Kita lupakan apa yang dibuat tahun lepas. Rexmond pernah bagi tahu saya, we are only as good as our last deal. Maksud apa dia tu? Ya? Maksud dia, tahun lepas you buat baik, you buat kurang berprestasi, it's okay. It's a new year. We start all over again. Yang mustahak, are you willing to change? Are you willing to do things differently? We have to do things differently. We will do things differently because Malaysia, we need to produce the highest number of CBM, highest number of Eagle once again. Boleh tak? Siapa nak berdiri di pentas dunia? Okay, kita start with small step. Naik pentas sukses day dulu. Ya, bagi saya lebih peluang bagi you award baru, bagi you pin baru, congratulate you, give you a good handshake, give you a hug. This is your report card. Ini pentas you. Ya, pentas you naik dulu, lepas tu slowly kita naik pentas dunia sekali lagi. This year full of new opportunity. I want you to find apa dia opportunity you in 2025. Look back dalam tahun lepas. What goal yang you sudah achieve? What goal yang you belum achieve? Create steps to achieve them in 2025. The limit of our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Right? This is from President of United States, Franklin D. Roosevelt, the president during World War II. Ya, dia kata, kalau you nak esok yang lebih cerah, yang lebih baik, jangan biar limitation sekarang, ya, to challenge you to overcome this. We are a company of eagles. Kita adalah satu syarikat apa? Elang perkasa. Betul tak? Selalu kita ada dengar cerita jangan jadi ayam. Betul tak? Kenapa? Sebab ayam dia tak boleh berterbang tinggi. But there is a lesson we should learn from ayam. Nak tahu tak apa lesson dia? Okay, watch the video. Oi, tengok. First tu dia dapat cabaran. Apa dia fikir? Dia tunggu. The third one, jalan dulu. Don't think, jalan dulu. Buat dulu. Lepas tu, breakthrough. Betul tak? Dia sudah breakthrough. Nombor 2 sudah nampak. Dia ikut. Semua ikut. Okay? Lagi kuat. Tapi yang belakang dia masih ragu-ragu. Dia tak ada goal setting. Ya? Dia ada confusion sikit. Should I cross? Should I overcome? Should I do better? Or should I turn back? Are we going to do better? Are we going to do better? Okay, try. Go. Aim high. Tak boleh. Tak apa. Tapi ada mentor dia. Mari. Invite. Come. Whoa. It's a good lesson. Very good lesson. Kita boleh belajar dari ayam. Ya, tapi bila you sudah terbang, kita mesti ada minta elang. Betul tak? Ya, so aim for the incentive. Jangan ragu-ragu. You are in the best company, best aloe vera company in the world. We bagi payout yang tertinggi. Okay? One of the best, one of the highest. This is what we do for you. So in 2025, dalam bulan January ini, let's do a reality check. Apa dia? Reality check. Be honest to yourself. Yeah, be honest to yourself. What did you do right? What did you do wrong? What worked for you? What did not work for you? Let's find out. External factor yang kita tak boleh control itu biarkan saja. Ekonomi baik, ekonomi tak baik itu bukan dalam kontrol kita. Let's look at improving our internal opportunity. Strengthen our team. Ya, team semua, sistem semua berkesan when you produce results. Alright? Sistem kalau dia tak produce result, relook, review, and refine the strategy. Refine the strategy. Tiap tahun kalau you bawa kereta dulu kereta BM, kereta Mercedes, berpuluh-puluh tahun dia pun tak tukar model sebab dia believe ABS itu sistem yang terbest. Okay? Dia punya navigation analog punya itu dia kata sudah cukup. Tetapi sekarang ada kereta apa? Elektrik kan? Ada kereta hybrid. That's how we improve. You don't improve, kita kena tendang turun. So you must constantly, review our strength, review our team, and refine our strategy. Alright? Seperti tadi kata Datin Grace kata, we must remain humble. What do you see here? Ini gelas setengah penuh atau gelas setengah kosong? It's all in your mind. We must always keep learning. Kalau gelas kita sudah penuh, kita tak boleh accept new ideas, or we cannot accept new things. We will be left behind. Always have an open mind. I selalu ingat Diamond Manager Yvonne, dia kata, our mind is like a parachute. It works only when it is open. Betul tak? Kalau you terjun dari kapal terbang, parachute you tak buka, okay tak? Tak okay, So our mind is the same. It's a parachute. It works only when it is open. So always keep our glass half empty, so that more ideas, more things we can learn. Okay? And remember, ini slogan saya. Keep it simple, duplicable, profitable, and fun. We go back to the very basics. The simple duplicable is our 5cc and 25cc. Kepada orang baru, ada berapa orang baru hari ini? First time jumpa saya. Yes, good. New mentality, Every day is a new day. 5 and 25. Sebab 5 itu adalah kunci emas kepada all the incentives in forever. You must remember, semua insentif di forever ini boleh dibahagi 5. Okay, that's why 5cc is important. You sendiri guna 2-3cc, sponsor new people, share the products, use the products, and sponsor them. It's very easy. You buat sendiri 5cc, lepas tu kita duplicate saja, and we focus on 25. The rest, I leave it to your upline to explain why 25 can help you achieve all the incentives in forever and to build healthy and strong. We have to focus. We have to focus on our fundamentals and the basics. Tadi I sudah share. Focus on your 5 and 25. 4 core. Apa dia 4 core? Now, this is to our existing FDO. 4 core itu recruitment, retention, productivity, and development. Ya, our business kita selalu kena share dari hati yang ikhlas. And you can do that. Kita boleh buat macam tu bila kita guna produk. When you know the benefit, how it help you, you can share dari hati yang ikhlas because you know what benefit it brought to you. Kan? So focus on your four core, what you want to achieve tahun ini. We always have the four core in our quarterly goals. Q1 is recruitment. Kenapa kita buat recruitment dalam Q1 quarter pertama, first 3 months of the year? Kenapa? Siapa tahu? Because insentif kita perlu ada orang baru, perlu ada sisi baru. Kalau kita buat awal tahun, the rest of the year very easy. You cuma mentor, you cuma help orang lain become like you. Focus. Yeah. Consistency. We must do our successful steps, successful action consistently. Selalu kita buat. What is effective? Yang not effective, we remove. Together, we are unstoppable. Together, we work together, we are unstoppable. Remember, we are one forever family. Yes, you may be from different groups, but our heart is forever. Work with the company, get the strength together. We need your strength, much as you need our strength. Come together, we are unstoppable. We bahasa di Malaysia, tahu tak? Ya, kita punya prestasi for many years. We were the number 1 producer of CDM qualifiers and Eagle managers. Yes, you are in the right place. Yeah, you are all in the right place. Semua otai-otai sini. Yeah, with lots of experience. Come up and shake hands with them. Get to know them. You will know they are just like you and me. Orang biasa saja. Cuma mungkin dia goal lebih sikit. Dia lebih tekun sikit. Yeah, make a phone call. More, slightly more. Yeah, so the little bit of effort will bring you great heights. Write down your goals, write down your dreams. That is why tadi kita nak you fill in the form. Bila you keluar nanti, be honest with yourself, look in the mirror. Did I sincerely put my goals down? Am I going to achieve it this year? Am I going to put effort to make it work? Get to action. Yeah, get to action. You tadi semua speaker berkata the same. They all say the same thing. Seeing is believing, but doing is achieving. Yeah, doing maksud apa? Doing, put it to action. And we must put it to action. Bukan saja seorang put it to action, semua sebagai satu pasukan, satu rangkaian do the same thing together. Baru we have the power. You want to know why? You want to know why? Because your life and my life is involved. You want to know why? I share with you.
The final 2 teams get ready to play.
We got this, I have faith. Look at the previous winner with us.
Ready, set, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah!
Please go, take your time. There's no rush. At this rate, the whole team might get it on the first try.
It's okay, look, we still got time to spare. Now, let's go get it. Just stay calm and don't rush yourself.
Sorry, that's on me.
It's okay. Let's just go and get it.
Nice and calm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Tahu movie ini tak? Tak tahu? Kalau you tak tahu, maksud congratulations, you're very hard working, doing forever. Ya, yang siapa tahu, you gotta work harder. Ini most famous TV series in the world now, the Squid Game. Betul tak? Ya, Squid Game Apa dia? You kena bekerja sama sebagai satu pasukan. Kalau you fail, apa terjadi?
Mati. Semua mati.
Dia kena mati. Betul tak? So the same thing. Please, we are here for real. We are here to help you. We need you as much as you need us. Let's work as a team. Let's work as a team because together we will win. Okay? So I wish you all the best. Ini pentas, I nak jumpa you every success day, and then we see you at pentas dunia together. See you at the top. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih.